Hi all. So continuing with the Facebook ads, we will now get into our third segment in terms of Facebook ads. We already saw Facebook brand awareness campaign, and in the last session we saw Facebook lead generation campaigns. Now, right. So now we are getting into conversions. So this is Facebook conversion ads. Now, what are conversion ads? Basically, this is conversion is something that you define what conversion means to you. What action that you want to get from your viewers. So, for example, for you, a conversion might be somebody adding, your product to the add to cart, for example. So that might be conversion for you, right? Or for somebody else, conversion might be, clicking on certain call to action button. For while for somebody else, conversion could mean going to particular product pages, right? So it's for you how to define conversion and let the Facebook accordingly optimize those for those conversions, right? So it's for you to basically decide and tell Facebook in a way that look, Mr. Facebook, this is what the conversion means for me, and you need to optimize my ads for this conversion, basically, right? Okay. So quickly, we again go into our Facebook ad account, okay, and see practically as to how we do this conversions. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, now first thing first, what we need to do is that we need to see if a Facebook pixel is working. And as you can see, I come here to the data sources, and I can see that my Facebook pixel, which is this one, is working and it's active. Okay, so meaning which I can go ahead with my conversion ads. So like I said, each Facebook ad account will have one Facebook pixel. So against this ad account, as you can see, against this ad account, this is my Facebook pixel. Which one? This one. This is my Facebook pixel, and you can see that is active. You know, it's active and it's running. So yes, it's good to go. Okay, now what I need to do basically is that I first need to create. Now for conversion action, first what I need to first do is that I need to create a custom conversion. Okay, so I'll just bring this down. So as I come to the data sources, I check on I come to my Facebook pixel, and there on this corner you can see create. Okay, and when I click on this create, you can find all these things like create ad, create custom audience, create lookalike audience, and create custom conversions. Okay, so first I need to create a custom conversion. Okay, so what I'll do is that I'll just create a custom conversion here. Okay, so let me name this. So okay, let me name this custom conversion as custom conversion. It's created on 3rd of October. So let me just put it like that. Okay, you can name it however you want. Okay, it's optional. Let me not click this. And data source is nothing but your Facebook pixel. So this is my Facebook pixel, which is running fine. So that means everything is fine. Okay, and this custom conversion caters to all my URL traffic. So yeah, let it be like that. Okay, so this custom conversion must meet all these rules. URL, okay, contains. Okay, so what I want this URL to contain is basically URL keywords. I want now in my tennis, as you would see in this, for example, tennis for India, right? So this is my website. Okay. Okay. This is my website. Take some time. I think net is slow. Okay. Hmm. So, I want it to have Indian tennis as my keyword, right? Okay. I can also have something like Indian. So there could be keywords like some player which is there, you can boundary. Okay. So likewise, I can keep on adding. Okay. Okay. Then there is one URL that had a keyword. I remember Ankita Raina. Ankita Raina is a tennis player. I had made a page for her. Ankita Raina. Okay. So for me, these are the three keywords, okay, that I want to customize for. I mean, what do you say? Optimize for. Okay. Enter a conversion value, enter a monetary value for a conversion so that you can track your return on ad spend. If you leave this field blank, the value will default to zero for each conversion. I I will rather go with a blank thing, so it will automatically take it. So as you can see, this is a custom conversion that I am creating for the custom Facebook conversion ad. Okay, which so later on when I actually show you, I'll include this custom conversion in the conversion ad that I'll be doing. Okay, so first what I'm doing is that I'm just creating a custom conversion. This is not an ad. Okay, this is just creating a custom conversion. Okay, and with the name custom conversion 3rd October. So currently I'm just creating this custom conversion. And what is custom conversion? This custom conversion will have keywords Indian tennis, UK Bambri, Ankita Raina, for the URLs that it has. Okay, and currently all I'm doing is that I'm just creating this custom conversion and keeping it, in the library, so to say. And when I actually do my conversion ad, which I'll be doing in the next few minutes, I'll be including this custom conversion. Okay, so I create this. Okay, done. Okay, now I come to where? To my ad manager, and I'll be creating a campaign. Okay, pick this up. Hmm. Okay, like always, all I have to do is click on this create button, and then it will take me to my campaign objective. If you remember, I already have created two ads, Facebook ad as of now, one for brand awareness and one for lead generation. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create it for conversions. I click on conversions, and then all I need to do is continue. Okay. Campaign name, let me put this as conversion ad, and let me put the date 3rd October. Okay, And special ad categories, if you remember, we don't fall under this. Special ad categories are if I'm doing some credit card business, if I'm doing it for some housing ad, if I'm doing it for some political ad, then it will fall in a special ad category. As if I click, as you can see, for employment, housing, politics, elections, credit card, like that, auto loans. But I don't fall in any of the categories, so I'm not going to select any of them. Okay. Campaign objective is conversion, right? I want the conversions to happen. So basically, I'm telling Facebook that conversion is what I'm looking at. A/B testing and CBO or campaign budget optimization, or CBO in short form, will be taking it as a separate chapter. So I'm not clicking it anywhere in this, so that you don't get confused. We'll have this as a separate chapter. So all I need to do right now is that my campaign name is set, the campaign objective is set, and I click on this. Okay, my campaign level stuff is done. Now I'm coming to the ad set level. Okay, this is the ad set level. So what I need to do is that I will first name this. Let me put this as ad set. Like I already said, you should ideally have more than two ad sets, and under each ad sets you should have different ads. Okay, which we already had done in brand awareness campaign. So I'm not going to have different ad sets. I'll continue with only one ad set, and under one ad set I'll only have one ad, because this exercise is primarily to show you how conversion ads are done. Okay, so that's the primary objective. So I don't want to go again, deep dive into ad sets and ads, which we already have learned in the brand awareness campaign. Okay, but again, I'm reiterating that you should have not one ad set, you should have more than one ad set, and under each ad set you should have at least more than two ads. Then only it makes sense. Okay. Okay. So this is okay. Now conversion even location for me, it's going to be website. It's not app. It's not. Also, I'm not doing it for Messenger. I'm not asking people to have Messenger conversation with my business. This is also not about WhatsApp. It's about website. Okay. Pixel is already there. This is my very importantly, Facebook Pixel has to be installed. Then only I can do a conversion ad. My Facebook pixel is already there, and this now what I will do is that I have to select the custom conversion. Just now I have created one, and that I need to check where it is. Sorry. So this is the custom conversion that I created, if you remember, just a few minutes back, that I've included here. Okay. Now, very importantly, this event is not prioritized for iOS 14.5. Okay, because just a few months back, Apple had come up with this thing where you basically there will be restrictions in this activity of wherein you cannot prioritize iOS 14.5, so to say. So ad sets using this event may not be delivered to people who opt out of tracking on iOS 14.5. So basically what's happening is that now Apple's new thing is that people can basically opt out of being tracked by Facebook ads, Google ads, like that. So if I've got Apple, iOS phone, so to say, I'll have the option of opting out from the tracking system. So meaning which I'll not be able to track people having the phone, having that. Okay. Okay. I'll put this as dynamic. and daily budget, let me put this as 100. This is only for demonstration purpose, so I'll just put it for 1 day. Okay. Like I said, ideally you should have more number of days because Facebook will also take some time to, what do you say, take some time to understand what your ad is all about. Okay. All right. Sorry. Start it. Okay. Timing is not right. This is 4. Does it work? Yeah. So let the audience be like the way it is. Okay, let me just change this age maybe. Um, so, but you'll have to create the audience the way you want it. This is here. I'm not going to do it again. Basically, it's a repetition of what we already did in brand awareness campaign, wherein we had discussed about how to create an audience. But this is more for conversion ads, where entire focus is there. So I'm not touching the audience too much, which ideally I should be if I'm doing a proper ad. I mean, ad for the business. Okay. So like you see, so this is going to so Facebook is going to optimize and deliver it for conversions, as you can see. Okay. Yeah. The other option is other options are this, but since I'm doing it for conversions, so obviously I want I don't want any other options, but I want conversions, meaning which I want Facebook to optimize it for the conversion value that I put. What is my conversion value? URL having Yuki Bamri, Ankita Raina, and Indian tennis. Okay, yeah. Cost control you can put if you want, or you can put it as optional. Next. Let me put this as add. So this is a similar process. Select images. Let me put this. Okay. Primary text. Come and be part of the Indian tennis family. If I put this preview on, then you can see how the ad looks like. Okay. Headline: Indian tennis, bigger Indian tennis at its best. At its best. Okay. Description optional, I'll not put that. This is my tennis URL. Okay. So everything is taken care of now. Whatever red you are seeing here, now it's taken care of because the moment I put the website URL, everything becomes normal. Okay. Call to action. Call to action will be not for shop now. I don't have anything to shop now, but I want people to learn more about my website. So this is called what? What is this called? CTA or call to action button. What is a CTA? This is the CTA or the call to action button. Learn more. So people basically will have to click here. Okay. Yes, that's it. Good to go. I just need to click on publish and it will Facebook will take care of the rest. Okay, Okay, so as you can see, it's active. As I said, it's published. So this is scheduled. It's going to take some time. Facebook is going to learn about this and then it's going to publish. Okay, so that's it. That's about conversion ad that we saw. So till now, if you see, we have seen a brand awareness campaign, then we saw lead generation campaign, and now we have ended with conversion ad. Okay, so thanks again and see you again. Thank you. Bye.